The Easy Reward Tactics indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders who want to understand how the indicator works can refer to this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the Common section and then click on the OK button. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the Common section and then click on the OK button. Once the indicator is running on the chart, a trade management panel will be displayed on the chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the Common section and then click on the OK button. By running the indicator on the chart, a trade management panel will be displayed on the chart. The Easy Reward Tactics indicator is a practical tool suitable for displaying the risk-to-reward ratio on the price chart. Agents open and move the panel. Options: close, minimize, or restore. Set risk-to-reward and stop-loss. Under Levels, adjust reward from 1 to 5. Default is 1. I'll set it to 2. Stop-loss default is 0. In the upper section, there are two options. Selecting the first option closes the panel and removes the indicator. Selecting the second option minimizes the panel. Clicking again returns it to default. Next, choose Settings and specify Risk to Reward. Under Levels, set reward amount. Default is 1, meaning a 1.1 risk to reward. Adjust this amount between 1 and 5. Set it to 2. Next, specify stop loss in points. Default is 0. Set to 2,000 points. Select Buy or Sell to display risk to reward for the position. Selecting Buy shows the risk to reward for buy position. Stop loss at 2,000 points. Current price target 1 is 100%, target 2 is 200%. You can decrease this amount to between 1 and 5. I'm setting it to 2. Next, specify your stop loss in points. Default is 0. I'm writing 2,000. Then, select Buy or Sell to see the risk to reward for that position. Choosing Buy shows the risk to reward ratio with a stop loss of 2,000 points. Here, target 1 is 100% and target 2 is 200%. Traders can move the risk to reward panel. I'm writing 2,000 points. In the next section, you can select either the Buy or Sell option, which will display the risk-to-reward amount for the buy or sell position. By selecting the Buy option, we can see that the current price shows us the risk-to-reward ratio for the buy position, with our stop-loss set at 2,000 points. Here, the current price, Target 1 is considered as 100%, and Target 2 is considered as 200%. Traders can move the risk-to-reward panel by clicking it. Adjusting the stop-loss changes the take profit. Clicking Buy removes the panel. Sell displays it. Clicking the stop-loss allows adjustment of its amount, affecting the take profit amount. This changes the ratio to 1 to 1, currently set to 1 to 2. Clicking Buy removes the risk-to-reward panel. Selecting Sell shows the sell position and its risk-to-reward ratio. It increases to a 1 to 1 ratio, and here it's set to 1 to 2 for us. By clicking again on the Buy option, the risk-to-reward panel will be removed from the chart. By selecting the Sell option, the panel will display the sell position, showing us the risk-to-reward ratio for the sell, where you can also adjust the risk-to-reward amount. The sell position is displayed, showing us the risk-to-reward ratio for the sell. Here, you can specify the risk-to-reward amount and move the panel around the chart. Specify and move the panel around the chart. In the next section, by selecting the horizontal option, the panel changes from vertical to horizontal mode, as shown here. We see that the panel is in a horizontal position, and by selecting the vertical option, it changes from horizontal back to its default vertical state. In the next section, by selecting the rate % option, if you have an open trade, the amount of the tip changes from the text mode. It changes from text and tip mode to percentage mode, where you can see tip 1 and tip 2 displayed. By clicking again on the rate text option, you can switch from text tip mode to percentage mode and view it as a percentage. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.